Hey guys, my name is Akash and today we're gonna talk about my favorite anime. 5 names I'm gonna give you which are must watch from my side. Enjoy the video. So the first must watch anime from my side has to be Death Note. And the reason I say is because it's a very short anime. It doesn't have like long chapters or large number of episodes, but the content is really the king. Like what they have depicted in the story is really next level, so it's a must watch anime. Death Note talks about a guy who is very good academically in studies and who's very intelligent, and one day a notebook has fallen from the sky onto the ground, and he notices it. He watches it, and actually that notebook turns out to be a death note, which is if he writes or anyone writes the name of any person, that person is gonna die. That's why it's called Death Note, and I think it's a fabulous plot. Like, I've never seen such anime before. It was really awesome. It was recommended to me by my best friend and I really enjoyed it. You should enjoy it too. The second anime I'll recommend you to watch is Shokugeki no Soma, which is a cooking anime actually. And I thought it would be a little bit girly or somewhat not manly, but it is an awesome anime. It actually shows the manly side of cooking, and it is a bit adult also. So as an adult I enjoy it again, but it has that flavor. It has the comic writing, the adult flavor, a very good mixture of character writing and plot, and everything was really nice. It's a must watch from my side. Shokugeki no Soma, the story revolves around a character called Yukihira Soma, where he went to a cooking school, but before that his father was also a cook. So he learned cooking in the childhood only, and then he goes to a school and then he tops it, and then he becomes the master of that school. It's a very interesting story. Trust me guys, even the girls and the boys both will love it. It is phenomenal. It is very awesome. Recommendation would be One Outs. So One Outs is about a man called Tokishi Toa, which is so damn cool. He's so damn awesome. It is about baseball sport, which is similar to cricket played in India. Baseball is basically played in many countries like Japan and America, but again the plot writing, the intelligence level, the way he plays, it's again a must watch anime from my side. Watch One Outs. Fourth recommendation would be the very mainstream anime, which is Dragon Ball Z. I have watched Dragon Ball Z since I was a kid. I have been a very big fan of Dragon Ball Z, Goku and the Dragon Balls and Super Saiyan stuff, and I think many people are a fan of it. So I love the anime. Again, I would recommend you to watch it. It's very awesome. Anime would also be a mainstream anime called Naruto. Naruto Shippuden and Naruto are basically parts of the same anime, and it is so damn awesome. Naruto is about a boy who has 9-tail power hidden inside him, and he actually got cursed with it, but eventually he turns that into his strength. And it actually teaches a lot about friendships, about hardships, about families. So all these anime, like, I love this culture of Japan, how they teach through animes and make it interesting at the same time. So I just love this anime culture. That's the reason I love Japan, and I would recommend you all to watch these 5 animes and tell me, did you enjoy it or not? What your thoughts are on it? Like, if I did any mistake, you can please comment in the comment section. Watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, so that everyone can know these 5 basic animes. And thank you for watching.